I'm back. It's, what is this, day 4 already?
Yes.
Yeah, this stuff takes forever. Welding and stuff and fighting these damn bugs out here, mosquitoes and stuff. We got severe thunderstorms on the south of us right now that could work their way in here. I don't know how long this might last, but you're probably gonna have to set on this. I guess I can put my foot on it maybe.
You want to tell us about what's going on here first?
Now I'm shorting a door frame to fit that square over there. I made that door yesterday. It's welded in decent. It's not like perfect yet. I got a lot of welding to do. I'm not going to bore everybody just welding all the freaking time. So, well, that's what I do. So, sorry. Going right in my crotch there. Oh man, I didn't even make it through it. See, I need somebody else holding it. I don't like it when it does that. You know what I mean? You got weight on it. We're taking 4 inches out of this, is what we're doing. You got, well, 4.5. I wrote it right there. Get out of here! And hopefully it'll fit. It might not, because I measured it, so who knows? I clearly don't know how to use a measuring tool. Gone. Okay, I need a ground spot, don't I? Can you hold it for a second? Since I'm not welding here, I'll use this blade. Good enough. This is how we do it. And the stupid way. The smock ass way. Alright, putting her back together. Now I got some cleaning to do, don't I? And clearly, you know what I'm saying? Hope this is right at all, because it don't have to be.
You can test it in there before you stick it together.
I gotta tack it together for us to test it. No, I'd rather anyway. I don't want to go through. We'd have to clamp it together and everything. You know what I'm saying? Let's just tack it and we'll see if it fits. What do I need? I need my wire wheel. Wherever the hell that is. There it is. I'm doing this on the fly. I thought it was going to storm all day today. And now it's probably, what, 5 o'clock in the evening? So I kind of just laid around all day. My daughter come and seen us, so that was good. Can you put your foot on that or something? Or your little anus. Does it show up?
Lift your chin up a little bit. Yeah.
You be careful with wire wheels. They fly off of there, and it actually stuck in my throat and I had to pull it out. So
Little thread of your wire.
yes. Fun times. This is what old timers would do though. They get hurt, they just keep going, you know what I'm saying? I made those rocker panels on Amy's Jeep. I made those with a big old blister on my thing. That was huge. Alright, I got it cleaned up, as you can see. I hate that job, man. So now I'm going to tack it together. Man, where did I put a fancy hat like this? Jeez. Everything out here is dirty and covered in ants. Alright, being a redneck is easy. Now, see if I can't get this sucker straight as I can. Stupid hood gonna keep going down. That looks pretty good right there. Boy, that's burning holes so easy. I'm gonna have to be so careful on this one.
You said you were just gonna be able to tack it too.
It's tacked, but look, it burns holes like really easy. I mean, I can fix it. It ain't no big deal. But it's burning the hose, and not in a good way. Okay, this one, I kind of need that clamp, don't I? Will you stay? Please, just stay. The helmet, man, is annoying. Okay, I need to tack it or tap it. Oh man, I'm so prepared. You know what? Like, it's just real here. Shit. Struggling. Trying to get it straight as I can and flush, you know. There we go. I think that's okay. Do you look straight? It don't look crooked to me. I'm gonna go with it. She's stuck. Once again, I'm gonna be doing this for
A minute.
yeah, so pause me out, please. Damn it. They don't hurt so easy. Shit. Burn a hole every 2 seconds. That looks like crap, dude. So thin. Oh, I'm getting mad. I don't like getting mad. Get off of that. I wonder what's going on with this piece of junk. Like, aggravating me so bad. Usually it does pretty good for me, you know. I think it's that the tip is messed up. That's what I'm guessing. You're moving it, dude.
Sorry,
Get off of
I
it.
thought I was helping it.
Come on, quit doing that. Can't see through this thing today. I don't know why. Looks like I get warm. Alright, the bottom. Got a little bit on the bottom. Still burning holes. Yeah, I can't see shit for some reason. It's starting to get dark out here already, isn't it? I wish I could have. Don't listen to the freaking news. Sometimes they just lie. Oh, that's not a good thing to say.
No.
I mean, listen to the news. That was stupid. Retract. come on, quit doing that. Get out of here. Heard a pop. What was that all about? Good enough. Don't you think? I'm gonna flip this thing. Oh, there's a hole right there. Let me fill it in. It'll aggravate me if I leave it there, you know what I mean? Watch this mess up our house, you know, put so much weld there, it won't fit in the wall. Foreshadowing, probably. I hope not. Because I'm literally like, oh, man, this thing gets stuck on everything. Am I going the wrong way? Yeah. Don't touch the weld, dude. We gotta make sure that side stays tight though, because it'll wonky this side of the buck up, you know what I mean? It'd be way easier to buy one. But you don't get to learn how to weld, you don't get to, you know what I mean? Use a tape measure. Come on. I swear it acts like this freaking ground doesn't do anything sometimes. I got bugs literally crawling around in my mask. I can see them in there. Done and done on this one. Yeah, I'll live with that. It's ugly, but who cares, right? If I flip this, is it gonna mess my ground? Chinese welder. Kicking ass, huh? Burning holes. Yeah, when you get this welder, you don't get a, what do you call that? A little guide thing?
Like a diagram?
That tells you, do this, set this for that, and Ed, he ain't got nothing. Like, here you go, bud. You've been welding 30 years. Go ahead, jump in. That'll work. You see that? I actually put a weld on top of it. I tried to anyway. It looks better than any of the rest of them. So I'm gonna live with that. Man, it cooks a hole so easy. I'm not even in the right spot. What I'm doing. Filling up this hole that I made in the wrong place. I literally welded over here beside of it before I even got in the right place. Please don't show that ugly crap. Didn't bring my brush, did I? Oh yeah, I did. I'm evolving. Boy, it's ugly. That is ugly. See, that one looks better. That's more like it. That's, I don't know, welding this direction is a pain in the ass for me. I welded under a car and that was hard. You know what I mean? Laying on your back. The stuff drips like water. Somebody said you turn your wire speed up more I don't know if that's true or not. Like I said, I'm winging everything I do, which I think you can tell that by now. Okay, can you do it? I'm gonna weld it just like that. I wonder how dumb that'll be. Oh yeah. Come on, buddy. Let's see what kind of disaster this is. Oh. Can't see shit through here. Man, I cut some holes there. Ugh. It's so ugly it'll work. You know what I mean? Sure wish I knew how to weld. It'd be nice. Where the hell did I put that down? Oh my goodness. Literally sitting on my tool. Don't like it being this close to my eyeballs. Oh no. There's another place. Does that even matter? You know what I mean? Can I get out of it is what I'm asking. I'll tag it together. I don't have to be up in the air like this. Well, either way, she going nowhere already. And it'll work for what we're going to do. I might have to grind some of these welds down anyway because it fits so good in that doorway, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Ow. That was stupid. Okay. I didn't even clean that.
Nope.
Okay. I have to grind these big ass ugly welds down to make it fit. Yeah, the welds are gonna have to be. Do I got this thing backwards?
Again.
Huh?
Yep.
Yeah.
That's how you've been doing
It
it.
was like this. This handle ain't gonna work. We're cutting that off probably. Yeah, the welds. Yeah, it fits. Good. You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
Like I said, those welds are gonna have to be trimmed a little bit, but it ain't nothing major. It fits. It almost. It looks not square at all. It's perfect actually. You know what I mean? Yeah, I believe we're okay. Okay. There ain't even welds on this side. Huh. It's funny how she tried to grow on me here. I don't get it. There was a certain way we had this in here. You know what I'm saying? It can't go a billion ways.
Probably, yeah, flip it like that one
Like
way.
this.
Yeah.
That don't make no difference though, does it?
It should.
It does fit better like that.
Yeah, it looks like the gap's evened out better that way.
Yeah, it'll work like that. Okay. Give me that marker. I'm writing top on that. There you go. That's how you struggle for, what, probably an hour building a door out of junk. It was a struggle, but it fits. And I was going to hang it with hinges, but we can't find the hardware, so that's that. Anything else, honey?
Not that I can think of.
Okay, then we're out of here later. Yeah.